Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn about algebraic fractions. So, after learning this topic, I hope you can simplify more complex algebraic fractions, and then you can add and subtract more complex algebraic fractions. After it, I hope you will be able to multiply and divide more complex algebraic fractions. And then you can solve equations that involve more complex algebraic fractions. First is simplifying algebraic fractions. So, to simplify, first we have to factorize as much as possible before cancelling. And note that whole brackets can be cancelled, but not the individual terms in the brackets. For example, there is a question to simplify 3x plus 12 over 2x plus 8. So 3x plus 12, we can take out the common factor, which is 3, and the one in the brackets is x plus 4. And 2x plus 8, we can factorize them too, and we have 2 times x plus 4. So we can cancel x plus 4, and we've got 3 over 2. More example is this. The question asks to simplify fully x squared minus 9x plus 20 over x squared minus 2x minus 15. So, first, factorize the nominators and the denominators. So, we have x minus 4 times x minus 5 over x minus 5 times x minus 3. So because there is x minus 5 as the numerators and as the denominators, so we can cancel x minus 5. So the final answer is x minus 4 over x plus 3. Next, we learn how to adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. So just like when we add and subtract fractions, first we have to find the lowest common denominator before adding or subtracting. And then multiply out the numerator first. And then only after it, we can adding or subtracting. So for example, we have x minus 3 over 2 minus x plus 1 over 5. Because the lowest common denominator between 2 and 5 is 10. So for the first fraction, we times by 5. And for the second fraction, we times by 2. So multiply out the numerator first. And then we've got 5x minus 15 minus 2x minus 2 over 10. And then simplify the one who have same variables, which is 5x and minus 2x becomes 3x, and then minus 15 minus 2 becomes minus 17. So the final answer is 3x minus 17 over 10. Next, how about simplify fractions with x in the denominator? For example, we have 2 over x minus 4 minus 1 over x plus 3. So just like before, we have to find the lowest common denominator. So for the first fraction, we have to times them with x plus 3. And for the second fraction, we have to times it by x minus 4. So 2 times x plus 3 minus 1 times x minus 4 over x minus 4 times x plus 3. And then multiply out the numerator. We've got 2x plus 6 minus x plus 4 over x minus 4 times x plus 3. After it, simplify the numerator. 2x minus x is x, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So the final answer is x plus 10 over x minus 4 times x plus 3. It is better to leave the denominator in a factorized form. So just keep the denominator in the factorized form like this. Next example is this. The question asks us to express as a single fraction 3 over x plus 2 minus 3 over x squared plus 5x plus 6. For this question, first we have to factorize x squared plus 5x plus 6. So we've got x plus 2 times x plus 3. Because we can see that the lowest common denominator between these two fractions is x plus 3, so we only need to times the first fraction by x plus 3. So we got 3 times x plus 3 minus 3 over x plus 2 times x plus 3. And then multiply out the numerator, we've got 3x plus 9 minus 3. And then calculate 9 minus 3, we've got 6. After it, take out the common factor, we got 3 times x plus 2. And then we can cancel the x plus 2. So the final answer is 3 over x plus 3. Next, multiplying and dividing algebraic fractions. Always remember to factorize first, and then you can multiply or divide. Also, just like when you dividing two fractions, turn the second fraction upside down and then multiply those fractions. For example, 3x minus 9 over 4 divided by x minus 3 over x plus 3. First, factorize 3x minus 9 to be 3 times x minus 3. And then after we factorize, turn the second fraction upside down. So the first fraction times it by x plus 3 over x minus 3. So we got 3 times x minus 3 times x plus 3 over 4 times x minus 3. Because we got x minus 3 as the numerator and as the denominator, we can cancel them. So the final answer is 3 times x plus 3 over 4. Okay, so this is our final topic, solving equations with algebraic fractions. First, always remember to clear fractions by multiplying both sides by the lowest common denominator. And then, to be sure that your answer is correct, you can check your answer by substituting it into the original equation. For example, the question asks us to solve this equation, 2x over x minus 3 minus 4 over x plus 1 equals to 3. So the first step we should take to answer this question is to clear the fractions by multiplying both sides by the lowest common denominator. So the lowest common denominator is x minus 3 and times x plus 1. So we multiply both sides by x minus 3 and x plus 1. So we multiply the left hand side by it and also the right hand side. So we got 2 times x plus 1 minus 4 times x minus 3 equals to 3 times x squared minus 2x minus 3. And then multiply out, we've got this. After it, move the one in the left hand side to the right hand side. We got x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. And then factorize them. we've got x minus 7 times x plus 3 equals to 0, which means the possible answer for x is equals to 0 or x equals to minus 3.